Hi, today I would like to show you how to work the 1/3 left crossed cable with and without a cable needle. So we're going to slip the first stitch of the left hand needle onto the cable needle. Insert the cable needle purlwise into the first stitch. Bring the stitch to the front of your work and knit the following 3 stitches. And now we're going to knit the stitch that's on the cable needle, or in my case on the double pointed needle. And here is the 1/3 left crossed cable. Now we're going to try this one more time. Insert the cable needle through the first stitch purlwise. Bring it to the front of your work. Knit the following 3 stitches. And knit the stitch that's on your cable needle. And here is the 1/3 left crossed cable. Now to work the 1/3 left crossed cable without using a cable needle, this is what I do. Slip the first stitch of the left hand needle carefully. Now place that stitch against the right hand needle and hold it in place with your right thumb. Now we're going to knit the following 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to insert the left hand needle through the stitch we've been holding, through the front of it. And then we're going to knit it. And here's the 1/3 left crossed cable. One more time. Slip the first stitch of the left hand needle. Press it against the right hand needle and hold it in place. Knit the following 3 stitches. Insert the left hand needle through the front of the stitch you've been holding. And knit it. And here it is. 1/3 left crossed cable.